We're back right here on Island Life Live. You know, hundreds of home improvement experts will gather under one roof to showcase the latest products, services, and trends, all in a fun, family-friendly event.
So whether you're planning a major home renovation, tackling a DIY project, or just looking for fresh ideas, the BIA Big Home Show has something for everyone.
Yeah.
And here to tell us more about it, it's from BIA Hawaii, the beautiful Roseanne Freitas. Welcome back, CEO.
Hi, friends.
Boss lady.
It's always great to be back with you,
Yes.
too. I look forward to this. Twice a year we get to hang out.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And we want to say aloha to one of the newest members of your team, Savvy Andrews. How are you doing, Savvy?
I'm so good. Good morning.
Welcome, welcome. Savvy is part of events and member experience. She's the one that you're probably going to be seeing when you walk through the doors at the BIA Home Show, right?
She is, and we're very excited to have her right from the University of Hawaii.
Beautiful. That's
I
how
know,
we do.
we're trying to poach her because she has a journalism degree, and Roseanne, I don't think so.
No, you're not taking my new team member.
Well, you know what? Let's tell everybody what your newest team member and all of us can experience at the BIA Hawaii Home and Remodeling Expo.
So there was a little confusion on the dates, but they are August 14th through 16th.
Okay.
So mark your calendars. We'll, of course, be at the Blaisdell every year. We're going to have some really great events, some exhibitors. We're looking right now at over 65 plus exhibitors, and signups are still going on. Over 100 booths, and then we'll have food. You know, that's always great. We like the food. And then we've always done a keiki zone, but we're going to change the name this year to family zone. Really make it for the keiki, but with their families as well.
I like
so
that.
good fun.
And then, in our experience, of course, we're going to be there with you guys,
Yes.
broadcasting. But we've also had a chance to enjoy the educational seminars. Can you talk about that a little bit, Savvy?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're really excited to bring these back. We're going to have Atlas Construction, our headlining sponsor, actually doing a seminar, as well as the BBB, Better Business Bureau.
Yep.
Homeworks Construction, Homeowners Design Center, Stanford Car, Honolulu Police Department will be there too.
These are all stellar names.
Yeah, stellar
Awesome.
names, stellar people. We're really excited. So visitors can leave with the knowledge they need to build their new home, their new project, whatever they want to do.
And what are some of the topics you guys are going to cover in these seminars?
Safety for sure. That's really important, right? How to rebuild if you want to have a project that you're working on, how to build a new home, all the information you need, A to Z, it'll be there.
And even if you're not really there, like ready to build, this is really a good place just to come and dream and have, create future ideas for yourself as well, yeah?
It really is, because you don't just go into a project because it's so expensive, right? It's our biggest asset. We invest in our homes. So a lot of times a lot of people want to do that research well in advance. So if you are just now thinking about it, this is a good time to come get the ideas.
Oh, yeah,
and
for
to
sure.
learn what that process is, because it is a process. And it really is helpful if you understand what to expect.
Yes, and Rosanna, we really do love how BIA Hawaii has actually transformed this event into an event for the entire family, like what you were saying about now we're going to have this family zone as opposed to just something for the keiki. Can you give us all of the details on how we can grab tickets and all that good stuff?
So, of course, always online and through KITV, because I know you're giving away some free tickets. But they can go online to biahawaii.org and go ahead and get their coupon off, because it's $8 at the door, but you get a $3 coupon.
Nice.
And of course, we have our Kapuna Sunday again. So everything is online, and we're going to be there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yeah, absolutely.
I can't wait. I still, this is like 3 years now that I've been wanting that combo washer dryer machine.
He talks about it.
I think I gotta make it happen every year, because like you said, those ideas, you can just walk around, and the vendors are so kind, and they're just so willing to share their experience, their knowledge, and no pressure. This is a no pressure zone where you can just go ask those questions. So I love that.
I do too, because it really is learning, and I know it's a scary process if you've never done it. And there are so many materials and different ways to do things. So really going to talk to the experts, and you're right, it is no pressure on the sales. It's just really more informative. And then, of course, if you want, you can make an appointment with any of them to follow up that conversation. But it'll be some great ideas, some fun activities, some Ono food, and of course, Davey D and Lena Girl.
Well, if you've never been to a BIA home show, you gotta go to this one. Roseanne Freitas, Savvy Andrews, ladies, thank you so much for being with us. For more information, always biahawaii.org.